Good morning to all my fellow Rotarians and President Kishore.
Yeah, welcome all Rotarians friends for this ninth session of yoga and meditation sessions by our Rotarian Sapna Priyadarshi. Friends, India is crying for oxygen, and here with yoga, we are improving our oxygen levels naturally. Friends, pandemic has taught us two lessons: that the richest wealth is health and the best security is faith. So yoga gives us health and meditation gives us faith. So let's go for the ninth session with Sapna ji. Sapna, please.
Thank you everyone, and I'm really glad that every day people are practicing and getting benefited. देखिए जादू एक दिन में नहीं होता है. You have to regularly practice this. You know, in between, if we have a break also, then also you should do it. 21 days continuously you should do to get used to that practice of yours. Breathing तो हम करते ही रहते हैं, but unknowingly, you know, श्वास लेते हैं, छोड़ते हैं. That keeps on happening, but that doesn't go till, that doesn't even reach our heart area or the neck area. Very fast we take and leave, fast we take and leave. So that is not the right way of breathing. And we have been doing that. We inhale very deeply, take it in, hold it, let it get spread everywhere, right? आपने देखा होगा जब घर में हवन होता है, कैसे धुआं होता है, तो we try कि वो धुआं सारे तरफ फैल जाए. That smoke should actually spread everywhere, right? But that takes time. It doesn't happen within a second. Same thing happens with our breathing system also. Please inhale deeply and take it. I have been talking to a few friends and people who are suffering from COVID, who have recovered from COVID. They still feel so weak, you know. They are not able to actually inhale properly. They feel so weak while doing it. They feel pain. So my suggestion to all of them is, though we are saying COVID care, so people who are not, or I can say who are blessed by the divine so far, should continue doing this. And the people who have recovered, they should consciously start, breathing exercises slowly. बहुत धीरे धीरे, जब तब जहाँ जैसे, but keep on doing consciously whole day. This is the only technique which is going to help you at this moment, along with whatever medications or whatever other things, Ayurveda and all that you must be taking. Keep drinking, of course, warm water and all, and various other things. So just keep breathing, inhaling slowly in and out, in and out. That energy will not come instantly, and almonds certainly are a great thing. You can have almonds every day, but not like this. What people are doing, I came to know through one of a known person again. क्योंकि गर्मी आ गई है, बादाम को हम रात भर भिगोते हैं और सुबह लेते हैं, तो I will not advise you to do that now, right? उसको ठंडा मत करिए, उसकी तासीर ठंडी होगी, अभी हमें उसकी जरूरत नहीं है. So what you should do is, you should boil them, let it boil for about 15-20 minutes in milk. दूध में डालिए, 10-12 बादाम डालिए, उतना ही पानी डाल दीजिए, let it get boiled and let that water completely go away. 15-20 मिनट जब आप उसको उबालेंगे, तो वो बादाम को घस के डालिए, just completely crush that and let it go. And after that, when it gets little cold, warm हो जाए, तब आप उसको पीजिए. Every day do this, it will strengthen you. All right? चलिए शुरू करते हैं. आज थोड़ा सा अपने बॉडी को ओपन अप करेंगे. After that, today I'll show you Surya Namaskar. And for the people who are sitting on the chair, I'll teach them how can they do Surya Namaskar sitting at their chair itself, so that you can practice. Because here, if I do, it will not be visible to all of you. So I will show a small clip of mine with Surya Namaskar for the beginners, right? Okay, so let's start doing with the opening up of our chest. Put your hands in front. Close, join your palms. Join your palms. थोड़ा सा deviation करिए, हाथों को ऊपर लेके जाइए. And invoke the divine energy. उसे प्रणाम कीजिए, उसका धन्यवाद दीजिए. Thank him. एक लंबी गहरी सांस लीजिए. रोकिए. Inhale deeply and hold. Now exhale and bring your palms in front. Keep joining them. Let them join. Yes. Now slowly open your eyes and start expanding your chest. Okay. Take your hands, open them, take to the side. One. Inhale. And when you come front, exhale. Inhale. Back. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Good. Inhale. Exhale. 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 Okay. Now let's do Tadasana. Take your hands up. As I told you earlier also, people who want to take the support of the wall, they can do that. Right? The rest can do like this. People sitting on the chair, let them sit, but they should make a V shape of their feet and they should lift their feet a little bit up the floor. Okay? And hands should be up. Take them up. Inhale deeply and take them up. Like, okay, take it. And you can join your heels at the back so that you are completely stable. And keep inhaling and exhaling. Good. Great. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, hold, exhale. देखिए जब आप inhale कर रहे होते हैं, your body is also going up a little bit, right? Pull हो रही है आपकी body. You are stretching your body up. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Good. Exhale. Great. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. While doing so, you are putting pressure on your chest and lungs. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Hold. Hold. Don't exhale. Just hold and be up. Just be up on your toes. Your heel should be completely up. Hold this position. Yes. And when you feel a little bit of pain in your calves or in your thighs, you can relax. Exhale. Bring your hands down. Great. Bring your hands down. Very good. Okay. Now, with the inhaling and exhaling pace, we'll do the cardio exercise. All right? That's very important. Let's do it. हम साइड में करेंगे. मुझे देख लीजिए आप साइड में करेंगे और पैरों को फैलाएंगे. We'll be doing like this. Okay? People sitting at the chair, they can just move there. You know, पैर मान लीजिए आप बैठे हैं तो आप पैरों को ऐसे लेके जाएंगे और हाथों को ऊपर नीचे with inhaling and exhaling. Okay? So let's do it. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jumping दिखनी चाहिए. 5, 6. Come on. 7, 8. Good. 9, 10. हाथ ऊपर तक जाने हैं 90 डिग्री एंगल में. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Great. Very good. Great, guys. Very good. Okay. Now relax. Relax. When you are practicing, you should also do jogging. Okay? All right. Now after doing this, relax your body and put your hands on the waist. Spread your legs a little bit. And what we will do is we'll try to bend. पहले गहरी सांस लीजिए. Inhale deeply. Yes. Hold the breath. And then go down. ठीक है? Exhale करते हुए. Exhale and go down. Like this. Make a 90 degree. Inhale and come up. Great. Exhale and go down. Inhale and come up. Great. Exhale and go down. Inhale and come up. Again exhale and go down. गहरी सांस छोड़िए और नीचे जाइए. लंबी सांस लेते हुए ऊपर आइए. होल्ड कीजिए. अगेन सांस छोड़िए और नीचे जाइए. गहरी सांस लीजिए, ऊपर आइए. गो डाउन. गो अप. ग्रेट. रिलैक्स. रिलैक्स. Fantastic. Just inhale and exhale normally at your own pace. Do it 3 times. To settle your life force. See, that is the reason I suggest we should not go for a heavy exercises unless you are into regular gymming and all, because you know what happens when we do that, our life force starts traveling very fast inside. And if it gets stuck somewhere, that leads to severe problems. You know, because it travels like this, it travels like this, you know, ऐसे cross में travel होती है पूरा नीचे तक, and it gets stuck if you do it faster because it has to flow. The pranic energy has to flow properly. ठीक है? तो बहुत ध्यान से करने वाली चीजें होती हैं ये सब. Right? Okay. So I would like to show you a small clip today. You all can watch with me, because if I show you here live, you will not be able to see how to do that Surya Namaskar. So let's watch that clip. All of you sit down, relax, and please watch. After that we will do, but before that I will also share yoga, Surya Namaskar for the people who will do it while sitting itself. Okay? Even at the bed you can do if you want to sit at the bed, but I will suggest take a chair, a steady chair, strong chair, which doesn't really, you know, trouble you at all and you don't fall. Okay, so are we all ready? Vivek, can I request you to please show that full screen?
But let me give you the Surya Namaskar, because Surya Namaskar I told you for all the 3 doshas. Surya Namaskar is very important, which will help you to balance all the 3 doshas. So all of you can do. All the people dominant of all different doshas can actually practice Surya Namaskar. So I begin with Surya Namaskar, and my video will tell you how to do it. What you should do is that please practice it, because everyone can do it. Only the thing is that you should do it at least 10 to 15 minutes. Once in the morning, once in the evening. If you do it only once, that is also fine, but if you can do twice, morning and evening, excellent. Right? So start practicing Surya Namaskar, and after a few days you will see the changes in your own body and mind. So here I show you how to do the Surya Namaskar correctly. It is a scientific ritual overall. Each asana, because this has completely 12 asanas altogether, each asana has its all benefit. What I'll do is, I will show you each asana and explain to you, and after that I will do a complete exercise, a complete Surya Namaskar, and show to you, and you all can also do it with me. तो चलिए चलते हैं, हम अपने उन 12 पोजेस को देखते हैं जो सूर्य नमस्कार में किए जाते हैं, क्योंकि ये एक बहुत ही अच्छी तकनीक है which will instantly increase the heat, blood and air circulation in your body, and it's a complete benefit to the health. You can perform Surya Namaskar at any time of the day, but on an empty stomach. Let us see the very first pose, which is a Pranama Asana. You can see in this picture, all you need to do is stand straight with your hands in Namaste position, Pranama position, and keep it close to your chest. Stand straight. And just remember, in any asana that you do, whenever you go up, you should inhale deeply. And whenever you come down, that is closer to the earth, you should always exhale while doing any asana. All right. So you can see this. This is pranama position, pranama asana. This is pose number 1. Now, pose number 2, which is Hasta Utthana Asana. Now, after Namaste position, after Pranama position, you slowly take your hands up to the backside as shown in the picture with your feet together like this. And inhale deeply. Be in this pose for a few seconds. Then come to pose number 3, that is Hastapadasana. In this, what you do is, from your hands up, you slowly bring your hands down and touch the feet or touch the floor, the ground. When you come down, exhale while coming down and be in this pose. This is pose number 3, Hastapadasana. Then go to pose number 4, Ashwa Sanchalana Asana. This has come from horse. Ashwa meaning horse. So here what you do is, when you are in pose number 3, where your hands are down on the ground, take your left leg to the back side and keep it straight. Inhale. Remember, push your leg as far as possible backside and be in this position. Gaze straight. Your head should be straight. Your face should be straight. Gaze in the front. With your hands down, you can see in this picture, both your hands are by the side of your right leg. Right leg should be in the 90-degree position with the ground and be in this pose. Let's go to the pose number 5, Dandasana, or we can call it Parvatasana. It is like a stick pose. From that previous pose, pose number 4, you just take your legs back and pull your body a little up and be straight. Balance your body on your feet and your palms. Be in this pose. Then move on to the pose number 6. This is Ashtanga Namaskar. Now from the pose number 5, you drop your body down and in such a way that your whole body is touching the ground except your hips. Your hips should be up, your chest, your chin, your knees and your foot should be on the ground, touching the ground. This is your Ashtanga Namaskara position. Then move on to the pose number 7, Bhujanga Asana. This is a cobra pose. Now from that Ashtanga Namaskar to you come to the pose number 7, that is Bhujanga Asana. Here you just lift your front body up. From your abdomen, pull your body up. Raise your body up with your hands, your palms completely down on the ground and gaze upside like a cobra. Then pose number 8, Parvatasana. This is again same as we've already done earlier. This is Parvatasana, where again you are balancing your body on your palms and feet and raising your body, your hips as up as possible like a mountain. Now pose 9, that is Ashwa Sanchalana Asana, which we have already done. ये हम पहले भी कर चुके हैं. Here bring your left leg forward. Again place your foot between your two palms as shown here and be in this pose. Next pose number 10, Hastapadasana. जैसे कि शुरू में किया था उसी तरह से you have to come to this particular pose, touching the ground with your palms. Then raise your hands up. Take back, Hasta Uttanasana. And finally, pose number 12, bring your hands to the Pranama position again. So now I have already shown you all the 12 asanas, all the 12 poses of Surya Namaskar. If you want to see further, you can go to the slides and see the benefits. मैंने इसमें benefits भी इसके सब में डाले हैं और पोजेस को भी अच्छे से समझाया है हर स्लाइड में. I'll show you how to do it. You just see the complete asana, the complete Surya Namaskar, how I'm doing. I'm doing it in a fast position, fast pose. So watch the complete Surya Namaskar and then replay it and do it with me. Surya Namaskar. Surya Namaskar is one of the wonderful exercises. One must practice it every day. Surya Namaskar is done in 12 different poses, in 12 different asanas altogether. We do it one side with the right leg and repeat this with the left leg. That completes the one cycle of Surya Namaskar. We must focus on our breathing, inhale and exhale while doing the entire process of Surya Namaskar. So let us start doing Surya Namaskar. Stand straight, exhale and start with pranama position. Stretch your hands back as much as you can. Now bend forward and touch the feet and put your hands on the ground. Try to put completely on ground. Now take your right leg back, look straight. Now exhale, take the left leg back. Balance your body, come down. The entire body should be touching the ground except the hip portion. Now be in this position. This is Ashtanga Namaskara position. Now slowly exhale and take your body up. Be in Bhujangasana, don't strain your hands. Now balance your body like a mountain, inverted V pose. Try to touch the feet completely down. Now bring your right leg front, look straight, inhale, take your hands back, stretch them back, exhale and come in Pranama position. So now you have already seen how I have done the Surya Namaskar in a fast way. किस तरह से आप सूर्य नमस्कार कर सकते हैं ये आपने देखा है. ध्यान रहे कि when you do this, you try to do it near the window as we cannot go out. Ideally, we should be doing this in open area, but as we cannot go out, you do it in the place where the air is coming in, near the window or in the balcony, and do it as many times as possible. Do a minimum of 10 rounds of Surya Namaskar in the morning and in the evening. It can be done along with other yoga asanas or by itself as well, because this one asana, one Surya Namaskar alone gives you all the benefits. Surya Namaskar alone will increase the air, blood and heat circulation instantly in the body. When you get used to, gradually you can increase the number of rounds. This is a complete body mind exercise combined with pranayama, because we always use the breathing in this, inhale and exhale. You can see. But let me give you.
Alright, so आपने देखा है how to do it. I'll show you now, because if it is not visible while I'm doing online, at least you have seen this slide, so you know. But before that, let me show Surya Namaskar for the people who are sitting on the chair, who cannot perform directly as we do on the floor. Okay? आप अपनी कुर्सी पर बैठ जाइए. You can sit on your chair. Okay, all elderly people who cannot sit, or even people having problem in their back, spine, even they can also try sitting on the chair. All right, sit like this. Slowly come to the pranama position. धीरे से अपने हाथों को जोड़ लीजिए अपने chest के पास. इस तरह से हाथों को जोड़ लें. You can try this chair pose. और गहरी सांस लीजिए पहले. Inhale deeply and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Come to that, complete dhyanam of Surya Namaskar. So 2 to 3 times inhale and exhale. Exhale. Now inhale deeply and take your hands up like this. See this? ऊपर ले जाइए हाथों को. इनहेल करते हुए लंबी गहरी सांस लेते हुए हाथों को ऊपर ले जाइए. उसके बाद एक्सहेल करते हुए आप नीचे आएंगे इस तरह से. Exhale and come down and touch your feet. Like this. Hastapadaasana किया आपने. Touch your feet. Exhale करते हुए. After this, take your left leg knee. अपने knee को पकड़िए. Inhale करते हुए. ऊपर लेके आइए और ऊपर देखिए. See upward. When you came up, you inhale deeply and see upward. Now exhale and put your chin on your knee. अब exhale करिए और अपनी थोड़ी को अपने घुटने से जोड़ लीजिए. Now slowly take your foot down, your leg down. Exhale. Now inhale and bring the other leg. Hold it. घुटने को पकड़िए, धीरे से ऊपर लाइए. इसको रेस्ट नहीं कराना है. इनहेल करके ऊपर लेना है और ऊपर देखना है. अब एक्सहेल कीजिए और अपने घुटने को छुइए अपनी ठुड़ी से. प्लीज टच योर नी विथ योर चिन. Now slowly exhale and take it down. Come down. Touch. Now inhale and see up. Now exhale and see down. You are putting pressure on your tummy area completely. It's sucked into your thighs. Now inhale slowly and go up. Exhale and come to pranam pose. This we did with starting our left leg. The same thing should be repeated with our right leg. You know, that completes the one cycle. So let us practice one round at least of Surya Namaskar. Okay. Chaliye. Whatever I'm saying, you can do while sitting on a chair. And if you have not understood correctly, then you can watch it slowly and try it in the evening. All right, the rest of the people can try with me. Okay, inhale and come to the pranama position. Pranama position, when you make it, should be very close to your heart, chest, heart. Okay, and exhale. Now inhale and take your hands up. लंबी सांस लीजिए और हाथों को ऊपर लेके जाइए और पीछे की तरफ देखिए. Now exhale and come down. अब सांस छोड़िए और नीचे आइए. Touch your feet. जो नहीं छू पा रहे हैं, जहां तक जाए चलेगा, इतना जाए चलेगा. Okay? Touch your feet. Now let me come a little bit front. Now take your left leg back. धीरे से अपना उल्टा पैर पीछे लेके जाइए. And you can rest your knee on the ground. Beginners can rest their knee on the ground. ठीक है? दोनों हाथ आपके जो राइट फुट है उसके साइड में होने चाहिए, अलाइन. ठीक है? And see front. Now inhale and take your right leg back. Balancing your body, take your right leg back. And now balance your body on your 2 feet and hands. People who cannot do, they can do like this. बड़े आसानी से वो लोग ऐसे कर सकते हैं. There are variations of Surya Namaskar for beginners. हम ऐसे करते हैं या ऐसे करते हैं, right? आप ऐसे कर सकते हैं. Okay. After this pose, come down. अष्टांग पोज करने के बाद आप आएंगे ऊपर भुजंगासना. ऐसे ऊपर की तरफ देखिए, कोबरा की तरह. People who cannot do, they can rest their knees. Sorry, they can rest their elbows like this. Okay. After this, slowly rest on your knee and make this mountain pose. Yeah, V pose, inverted V pose. After this, bring your right leg samne. Again, as we did in the beginning. फिर left leg को भी सामने लेके आइए. Touch your feet. Inhale and slowly go back. Exhale and come front in pranama position. Right? So similar way, you can actually practice this. This alone will help you a lot at this time. You need not do any other asanas. If you do Surya Namaskar alone, your lungs, your chest, your entire body is taken care. All right? So मैं बस अब करके एक बार last round आपको दिखाती हूँ. Let me just do it. Okay. All right. Like this. Inhale. पीछे गए, पीछे आए, इस तरह से पोज बनाई, फिर आगे हुए. अष्टांग नमस्कार. अष्टांग नमस्कार में आपका चेस्ट भी ऊपर आ जाता है, but for beginners you can put. Then Bhujangasana. Then inverted V pose. Bring your right leg, bring your left leg front, ऊपर गए, and pranam pose. Same thing we'll do with right. जैसे left में किया वैसे ही right में करना है. ठीक है? Alright. So this is how you should be practicing. So we can do one pose only to start with. इसमें से कई सारे पोज मैं आपको करवा चुकी हूँ. One day we did Bhujangasana, we did Tadasana, we did pranama pose like this. So do different poses also. If you do, that will also help you. If you are not able to do continuously in the same order, doesn't matter. One pose you can take up and you can do. That will also help you. ठीक है? चलिए अब प्राणायाम करते हैं. You all can sit down. Yes. Sit down. Let's do this. Let us begin with Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama. Nadi Shuddhi Pranayam के साथ शुरू करते हैं. Let us inhale from right. As I mentioned earlier, also people who have been already practicing, they can continue. Inhale from right, exhale from left, inhale from left, exhale from right. Same as Anulom Vilom. For the rest of the people, please join the first two fingers at the base of your thumb. पहली दोनों उंगलियों को अंगूठे के नीचे के हिस्से पे लगाएं और अपनी ring finger और अंगूठे को खाली रखें. So that you can use these two. All right. The other hand you can put on your lap by making a Jnana Mudra. Inhale from left or right, from wherever you want. Inhale from right. Exhale from left. Inhale from left. Exhale from right. Inhale from right. Exhale from left. Inhale from left. Exhale from right. Inhale from right. Exhale from left. Inhale from left. Exhale from right. जब सांस आप खींचते हैं उसको थोड़ा रोकने का प्रयत्न कीजिएगा और जितनी लंबी ले सके उतना अच्छा होगा आपके लिए. Inhale as deep as possible. Great. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. सांस लीजिए, दूसरी नाक से छोड़िए, फिर सांस लीजिए जिस नाक से छोड़ा है उसी से और दूसरी से छोड़िए. Great. Can I see others also? Inhale, exhale. 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 Let's do 10 rounds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great. Vivek, I request you to keep trying, show me more people if they have kept their videos on. Okay, whenever we do. Fine. Now let us do deep inhalation till here and exhale from here, not Kapalbhati. Normally, we are inhaling deeply, नीचे तक लेके आ रहे हैं और exhale कर रहे हैं. Okay? Okay, inhale deeply. Hold. And exhale. Jerk नहीं देना है, कपालभाति नहीं करना है. Normal inhalation and exhalation we are doing, but deep. इससे आप अपने लंग्स पे प्रेशर दे रहे हैं. Inhale deeply, लंबी गहरी सांस लीजिए. रोकिए और सांस छोड़िए. Inhale deeply. Exhale. Inhale deeply. पेट तक लेके जाइए. And exhale. Inhale. Exhale. जब लंबी गहरी सांस आप लेते हैं, आपको चेस्ट के आसपास heaviness लगेगा. You will feel that heaviness. That shows that you are doing it correctly. Inhale deeply. Hold and exhale. Inhale deeply and exhale. People who recovered from COVID, they should do this, but not very heavily. So, सांस लें और छोड़ें, like. सांसों पे ध्यान दें. And keep thanking your soul. धीरे धीरे सांस लेते रहें, छोड़ते रहें, लेते रहें, छोड़ते रहें. ये 2, 4, 5 मिनट आप करें, फिर ब्रेक ले लें. फिर आधे घंटे के बाद दोबारा 2, 4, 5 बार करें. 5 मिनट करें, फिर ब्रेक ले लें. फिर आधे घंटे के बाद करें. बस इस तरह से आधे 1 घंटे में आप बार-बार ये सांस लेना और छोड़ने की प्रक्रिया कॉन्शियसली करें. Anyway, you are doing it, inhaling, exhaling automatically, but that is not serving the purpose of your lungs. So, लंबी सांस आप लीजिए, लेकिन बहुत आसानी से और धीरे से छोड़िए. Consciously करिए कि मैं कर रहा हूँ. That will help you. Okay, and please keep drinking warm water. Okay. Now let us do Kapalbhati. People who have problem doing Kapalbhati, 5 to 10, 15, 20 rounds are okay, but beyond that they should not do. Even the others also 20, 30 rounds के बाद break लेते रहे. As I told you earlier, also continuously doing 100, 200, 300. Please don't do that. And people who experience all the time acidity because of this, please don't do. You can continue with your Nadi Shuddhi. Okay, so let's do Kapalbhati. Inhale deeply. लंबी गहरी सांस लीजिए. पेट को फुलाइए. सांस को छोड़िए और पेट अंदर जाएगा. Exhale and take your tummy in. Inhale deeply. Exhale. Inhale deeply. Exhale. Inhale deeply. Exhale. Will you please show some 4, 5 people? Let me see them. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Great. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. एक्सहेल, इनहेल। जब एक्सहेल करते हैं तो जोर से पता चलना चाहिए कि सांस बाहर जा रही है। इनहेल, आते बाहर जाएं, एकदम ये अंदर जा रही हैं, ये पूरा अंदर जा रहा है, ठीक है। इनहेल, एक्सहेल, इनहेल, एक्सहेल, इनहेल, एक्सहेल, इनहेल, एक्सहेल, इनहेल, एक्सहेल, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Can we do fast? Okay, faster round. Inhale and exhale. Jaldi se. Inhale and exhale. Come on, do it. ग्रेट, दिखाते रहिए प्लीज मुझे। गुड। रिलैक्स, आपकी स्पाइन खींचनी चाहिए। You should feel the tightness in your spine, at your back, the middle back, the lower back. That is the right medicine. You should feel that tightness. You are the master of your own. You can check whether you are doing it correctly or not. Okay? चलिए तीव्र गति से करेंगे, लेकिन उसके पहले as I told you, because you have been practicing, I'm sure अभी आपको stiffness neck में नहीं लग रही होगी. You might not be feeling stiffness in your neck by now. Let us do faster round. Kapalbhati, faster round, quickly. Relax, relax. Now you must have felt the tightness in your upper neck, shoulder area, and back. Now you should do neck exercise as I told you. Please turn your neck to the left side. Inhale and stop. Exhale. Inhale, come to the right side. Stop and exhale. Left. सांस लीजिए और जब आप लेफ्ट पे आ जाएं छोड़िए, फिर गहरी सांस लीजिए, राइट की तरफ जाइए, छोड़िए, लेफ्ट, राइट, लेफ्ट, राइट, लेफ्ट, लगातार सांस ले रहे हैं, छोड़ रहे हैं, राइट, लेफ्ट एंड राइट. Okay. Now let us do Kapalbhati faster round, one more quickly. Let's do it. कुछ लोगों को मैं देख रही हूँ, उनके कंधे बराबर हिल रहे हैं, ये नहीं होना चाहिए. कपालभाति में आपका पेट अंदर जाना चाहिए, बाहर निकलना चाहिए. ओके, पेट अंदर जाना चाहिए, बाहर निकलना चाहिए, वो कपालभाति होनी चाहिए. राइट, बराबर करेंगे, टमी अंदर जाएगा, आप यंग दिखेंगे. चलिए, एनीवेज, लेट अस नाउ क्विकली Rotate our neck clockwise. सांस लेते रहिए और छोड़ते रहिए धीमी गति से. Clockwise, clockwise. Now anti-clockwise 3 rounds. 1, 2, and 3. Now clockwise. तो ध्यान रखिए when you are rotating your neck, try to touch your shoulders both the sides. मुश्किल है, मत करिए, धीरे धीरे वो I mean that perfection will come. All right, clockwise. Yes, 3 rounds are over. Stop. Now let us move to Bhastrika. You know Bhastrika में we have to just fill our chest area. सांस लेनी है लेकिन सिर्फ यहीं से छोड़नी है. All right. There are 3 types of breathings we talk about जिनको नाम दिए गए हैं. So let us do Bhastrika. Very very important. बहुत ही important है ये और लाभदायक है. So inhale deep and exhale from your chest. आप एक कंधे हिलने चाहिए. पेट हिल ही नहीं रहा है. Your stomach will not really move at all. यहाँ से निकालिए. Great. Now you must be feeling tightness in your neck, in your chest. This is a proper exercise of your lungs. Bhastrika. You know, when you feel tightness, you can just simply do up and down of your neck exercise. कोई भी कर सकते हैं आप. So please don't go like she told down and up. No, any kind of neck exercise. 3 तरीके के हमने किए. Any one you can do at any time. Okay. The moment you feel any stiffness in your neck while doing anything, you should always pamper your neck. Should always pamper your neck. किसी भी तरह का neck exercise आप कर सकते हैं. Touch your chin to the chest and back. All right. Okay. Now, one more round of Bhastrika. Start. 4. Faster. सांस लीजिए छोड़िए. सांस लीजिए छोड़िए. लगातार लीजिए और छोड़िए. Very good. लगता है मुझे अपनी वॉइस का भी ड्रॉप लगाना पड़ेगा. Okay. Relax. Relax. I told you earlier also थोड़ा थोड़ा एक ड्रॉप पानी आप बीच में पीते रहिए. This keeps energizing you, but drop. Okay. Now we'll do breathing exercise. हम एक प्राणायाम करेंगे जो मैंने पहले भी आपको बताया है. सिर्फ नेक तक आएगा. चेस्ट से ऊपर आ चुके हैं आप. You will be inhaling and exhaling from your neck only, taking care of thyroid gland. Okay. चलिए सांस लीजिए. कैसे पता चलेगा नेक पर जा रहा है? ये नेक की जो नसें हैं ना, ये आपकी खींचेंगी. When you are breathing in, try to expand them. Breathing out, सिकुड़ेंगी. They will go in. वो tightness आप feel करेंगे नेक में. You will feel the tightness in your neck. कंधे हिलने बंद हो गए हैं. पेट हमारा हिल नहीं रहा है. नेक हमारी काम कर रही है. ग्रेट. इतना करिए कि जब आपको हल्का सा पेन होने लगे आपकी नेक में. You feel that tightness, right? So the air is cleansing your neck area. Your thyroid gland is being taken care here. All right. Okay. Now quickly we'll do nostril cleansing. Right? Nostril cleansing. दोनों नाक से जल्दी से नाक से अपना we'll be just exhaling faster, quickly from both the nostrils. Okay, you can do this way, holding, or from both together. Either way. All right. सिर्फ नाक से छोड़नी है, सांस लेने पे ध्यान नहीं देना, सिर्फ छोड़ने पे ध्यान देना. Great. Fantastic. Fantastic. When you do at home, after doing this nostril clear, cleansing, अब भाप लीजिए. इसके बाद घर में आप स्टीम लीजिए. Please take steam inhalation after this. रामबाण का काम करेगी. When you do exhale from both the nose, as I told you, वो 5 मिनट का एक्सरसाइज करने के बाद, keep the hot water ready. Put the towel. Don't go by those things at present. You can just do this, naturally, and inhale that steam. That will help you a lot at this time. Okay. Fine. So already 8:25. Let's quickly do 5 to 10 minutes ka meditation. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. ध्यान लगाइए. अपने आंखों को बंद कीजिए. And sit in the cross-legged position the way you want. Okay? Close your eyes, put your hands on your laps in Jnana Mudra, where you just join the index and your thumb. Just to be yourself. Let us invoke the divine energy. First, जब भी आप ध्यान लगाएं उस विश्व शक्ति का, उस यूनिवर्सल एनर्जी का इन्वोक करना ना भूलें, उसका आह्वान करना ना भूलें. Okay. We invoke the universal energy. हम आपका आह्वान करते हैं. And repeat with me. The atmosphere is purified by this divine power. This atmosphere is purified by this divine energy. Let this divine energy enter into my physical body and the life force. 1 second, Vivek. I have to put the Vivek.
Yes, madam. The voice is clear. It's fine.
Vivek, I have to put that.
Yeah.
Please change the focus when I do the meditation. I'll just quickly put this. मैं भूल जाती हूँ, so you can actually change. So I'll remember. 1 second. Thank you so much. I'll put my microphone. Sorry. Yeah. चलिए फिर से ध्यान लगाते हैं. Again. Okay. फिर से उस divine energy को बुलाते हैं. Let this divine energy purify the atmosphere around me. Let this divine energy enter into my physical body and the life force. Let this divine energy enter into my physical body and the life force. Let this divine energy protect me, guide me throughout my life. Salutation to my mother. Salutation to my father and Guru. लंबी गहरी सांस लीजिए. मुंह से छोड़िए. Inhale deeply. Exhale from your mouth. Inhale deeply. Exhale from your mouth. Inhale. Exhale. Now focus your attention at your third eye center. अपना ध्यान अपने भौहों के बीच के हिस्से पर लगाइए. ध्यान लगाने का मतलब होता है आप उस हिस्से को सोचिए. Just imagine that center point. Imagine from outside, that will help you. focusing on your third eye center. And let's chant Om. Keep focusing on your third eye center. अपना ध्यान अपने आजना चक्रा से हटने ना दें. अगर कुछ भी इधर उधर के विचार आए, गहरी लंबी सांस खींचिए और वापस अपने आईब्रो सेंटर पे ध्यान लगाइए. Inhale deeply. Focus your attention on your third eye chakra. Focus your attention on your third eye chakra. Now, slowly go to your past. धीरे से अपने पास्ट में जाइए और वो इंसिडेंट जो बेस्ट मोमेंट रहा है आपकी लाइफ का, उस इंसिडेंट को रिप्ले कीजिए. अपनी जिंदगी के उस सबसे खुशी वाले मोमेंट को इमेजिन कीजिए, उसको फिर से जिए. उस घटना को इमेजिन कीजिए. वापस जाइए, धीरे से वापस जाइए. कोई ऐसी घटना जो आपको बहुत खुशी दी हो, आपकी शादी हो, आपके बच्चे की शादी हो, आपका कोई अवार्ड हो, कोई भी ऐसा वाकया आपकी जिंदगी का, उसके बारे में सोचिए. स्टार्ट इमेजिनिंग. आप पहुंच गए हैं वहां, आप वहां पहुंच गए हैं. वाह, क्या दिख रहा है आपको चारों तरफ? क्या नजारा है वो? उसको देखिए, महसूस कीजिए. Live that moment once again. Live that moment once again. See this. What's happening? क्या हो रहा है वहां पर? Imagine करिए उसको. Imagine कीजिए. आप एंजॉय कर रहे हैं, आप बहुत खुश हैं, आप बहुत खुश हैं. You are the top of the world. You're very happy at this moment. You're very happy. देखिए, एक एक करके वो घटना देखिए. एक एक करके उस घटना पे ध्यान लगाइए, ध्यान हटने ना दें. आप एंजॉय करिए उस मोमेंट को. एंजॉय दैट मोमेंट. कीप एंजॉयिंग दैट मोमेंट. आप उस मोमेंट को एंजॉय करिए. Enjoy. The happiness is all around. कितना अच्छा लग रहा है आपको. These happy moments of your life, you're enjoying them. अब क्या हो रहा है देखिए, देखिए, देखिए उस देखिए चारों तरफ कैसा दिख रहा है आपको. Wow, you're enjoying. You're very happy. See this moment. See this moment. Enjoy this moment. इस पल को फिर से जी रहे हैं आप. Experience this happiness. Experience this happiness. Feel you are blessed. Feel you are blessed. Wow. Now, चलिए धीरे धीरे वापस आते हैं. धीरे धीरे अपना ध्यान वापस लाइए. धीरे धीरे अपना ध्यान, धीरे से अपने ध्यान को वापस आजना चक्र पर लेके आइए. धीरे से अपने ध्यान को आजना चक्र पर लेके आइए. Get inside your body. The energy of this entire happiness, ये जो वाकया अभी आपने जिया है, उसकी सारी खुशी, उसकी सारी एनर्जी आप अपने शरीर के अंदर लेके गए हैं. You've taken it inside. Imagine this entire energy in the white light form, which is inside your body and spreading all around your body. आपके हर सेल में ये स्प्रेड कर रही है. आपके बॉडी के हर सेल को ये एक्टिवेट कर रही है. This is going into your root chakra. Imagine करिए अंदर अपनी बॉडी के अंदर का हिस्सा, और ये सारी खुशी, ये सारी एनर्जी आपके रूट चक्रा में जाके स्टोर हो रही है. यू इमेजिन दैट जैसे व्हाइट लाइट है जो अंदर जा रही है, रूट चक्रा के अंदर एंटर कर रही है. इज एंटरिंग इनटू माय रूट चक्रा. Now focus your attention on your root chakra. सांस छोड़िए तेजी से. Focus your attention on your root chakra. 2 मिनट वहां ध्यान लगाइए अपने रूट चक्रा पर. Can we quickly do Ashwini Mudra? I'll teach you this properly later. Let's exhale heavily and contract your anal muscles. गहरी सांस छोड़िए और एनल मसल्स को टाइट कीजिए. Exhale. Let's do 2 more rounds. Now, bless yourself first. Say to yourself, let me be blessed by this divine power. Bless your spouse. Bless your children. Be blessed by the divine. Bless your family members. Be blessed by the divine. Bless all your friends, relatives. Be blessed by the divine. Bless the whole world. Be blessed by the divine God. Now say with me, I in my lifetime will not harm anybody's body or mind, or my body or mind. I will try to help others who are suffering. Repeat, I in my lifetime will not harm anybody's body or mind, or my body or mind. I will try to help others who are suffering. Let the peace prevail on us. Let the peace prevail around us. Let the peace prevail in the entire world. Peace, peace, peace. Join your palms. Take them up over your head. Rub them. हथेलियों को मलिए और अपनी आंखों पे लगाइए. Touch your body and bring touching the whole body down. Now slowly, very slowly open your eyes. Slowly open. Slowly open your eyes. Yes. 1 second. Yeah.
Friends, any question for Sapna?
जी जब सूर्य नमस्कार करते हैं तो उसका जरा ब्रीदिंग साइकिल कर देंगे तो बहुत मेहरबानी.
I'll do that.
Just breathing during the asanas.
यहाँ पे पूरा का पूरा वीडियो YouTube पे है.
तो मैं देख लेता हूँ.
लिंक
When I was going through the slides, 3-4 जगह पे लिखा है कि सांस लेने का, 2-1 जगह पे नहीं लिखा है. वो इसलिए थोड़ा मैंने पूछा था. But I'll call you separately for that.
लगातार लेनी है. ये पर्सनली जब समझाते हैं बहुत अच्छा रहता है, लेकिन उसमें बताया हर बार आपको सांस लेनी है और छोड़नी है. तो आपको ऊपर जाना है. कोई भी आसन, उस बारे में से कोई भी आसन जब हम करते हैं, whenever we go little up above the ground, we should always inhale. और शुरुआत आप वहां से करते हैं तो ऑटोमेटिकली आप एक्सहेलिंग और इनहेलिंग होता रहेगा. सो इसका ट्रिक ये है, when you start आप ऊपर गए, इनहेल किए, फिर आप नीचे आए, एक्सहेल किए, उसके बाद ऑटोमेटिकली वो इनहेलिंग और एक्सहेलिंग चलती रहेगी. दिस इज अ टिप.
Okay, I got that. Thank you.
या सपना जी, आपने जो चेयर का बोला, चेयर दिस थिंग, उसकी वीडियो है क्या? You have any video for the chair?
Yes, I will share that. Even it's very good for the people who are working in the office. They can do this. Even sitting in the office.
I want that.
Yeah, I will do that.
No, ji, your commentary at the end was not audible. थोड़ा आप loudly बोलेंगे तो
अच्छा. Okay.
It was not at all audible. And secondly, if you could just share your phone number.
Yeah, I'll do that. Kishore ji will do that.
Yeah, we'll do that. So friends, thank you so much. I'll see you tomorrow at 7:30. All of you. Thanks a lot. Thank you.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.